Torres del Paine National Park is a national park encompassing mountains, glaciers, lakes, and rivers in southern Chile and Patagonia. The zone is characterized by cool summers, with temperatures lower than 16 degrees Celsius during the warmest month, January. The park possesses a large drainage network, which consists of numerous rivers, streams, lakes, ponds, and cascades that come from the southern Patagonia icefield and flow towards the southeast until the 𝖼𝐼𝐴 Sound that bathes the coasts of the city of Puerto Natales.